first presentation is an AI product modeling tool for insurance, for the insurance industry. This comes from InsureMO. Calling the presenter on stage, Radha Joshi, Associate Director, Head of Sales, India, InsureMO. Radha Joshi serves as Associate Director at InsureMO.
Hello, good morning everyone. So we are talking about AI here today, right? So AI is the heart of InsureMO as of now, wherein we have already leveraged the technology for creating various use cases, right? One of them being the topic for today, which is the AI research and product modeling tool. Apart from that, we have also used AI for automating underwriting workflows using Microsoft Dynamics, and also built and automated the claims processing journey, right? So here, basically what we are going to talk about today is, what if I tell you that just imagine if any insurance company can come up with a product, new product, and create it and can benchmark it basically by analyzing the global data research, and basis this report, ultimately by extending a tool. This tool can be used for a product modeling, which can create product templates, right? And these product templates will ultimately reside in the product configurator. So this actually tool helps insurance companies to conceptualize a product, which ultimately will create a workflow and put this product into the form of a product template in any of the product configurators of any applied or allied external applications, right? So before we proceed, I'll take a moment here before we get into the demo. I will like to tell you about what we are and what we do. So InsureMO is a global Insurtech player, right? We have our largest middleware platform, having a global presence of 50 plus countries. We clock around $25 billion of GWP on an annual basis, and typically in a day's time, we clock around 40 million policies. We have also reached a mark of 100 million policies, which is the peak, right? And there has never been a downtime on this application. Apart from that, how we are different from the other insurtechs? We are on both sides of the spectrum. One is that on the insurer side, we enable insurance companies with the entire middleware product suite, right? The API solutions, product configurators, rule engines, wherein there are various 7-8 insurers in the Indian market using us. One of them being, taking the names of SBI General. They use us basically for their entire product suite to distribute products on any of the ecosystem like banks, NBFCs, corporate agents, or say the largest bank, which is SBI Bank, right? So in a way, SBI Bank is consuming InsureMO's APIs for distribution of products. On the other side, we enable distribution players like Ola, Amazon, SMBC Bank in Japan, right? In India, Cred and Park Plus uses us for seamless distribution of products, be it any side of the business in GI, health or life. So moving on, I'll be now taking a demo of how we are conceptualizing a new product here by doing a research, deep research, and then ultimately this product will get conceptualized into the product configuration portal. So to start with this, we have here selected a product and a region, basically to give a context for the prompt. So here we have selected travel insurance for an Australian market. So here we are now proceeding towards the research. So this is just asking for a confirmation to set up the context. So here the deep research is happening, and these key focus areas are now split into various subtasks. So for each of these subtasks, wherein you can also get a right to modify or suggest any modifications here. This basically specified tasks are then distributed to specialized agents here doing a research modeling. So this is the web research which is happening on a global level. Right? So as you see, there are various links which have been created, which actually tells you of the benefits, the coverages, pricings, model. And this will give the scoring for each of the tasks and ultimately create a research report. This research report will be in the form of PDFs, Excel, Word documents, anything. So here you can see that the research report has been created, and you also get an option to download it as an artifact into various separate sections, or you can download it as a PDF as well. So this particular report could be used, you can also tweak it and could be used for the next tool which we are talking about, which is the product modeling tool here. So this is a 30 to 40 page report which gets generated typically in 30 to 40 minutes time, right? Which specifies, gives the market benchmarking, gives the pricing, also suggests the deductibles or features which you can actually speak about. And now we are proceeding towards the modeling tool. So here, this gives an option to upload any document in any format. Here we are using the report which we have generated from the research tool. Here also you can give a prompt if you want to tweak any of the details further. So the processing has started in the backend, right? This will also take around 10 to 15 minutes to create and design a new product. So here, what we are technically doing is, here this will design these all product elements into various product structures which will have the benefits and coverages. You can also get a edit option here to modify or delete or add or modify the coverages here. So this modification has been done, and again it is reviewing and taking 10 seconds to further refine it. So you can see the travel coverages have been displayed here. You can also prioritize the coverages. So this is the product structure which has been developed on an auto-generated basis into the UI format. And this directly resides into the product configurator. So this can be as a one endpoint connectivity to InsureMO application, not only InsureMO applications, but also external policy admin systems. So this is the final UI wherein the tweakings can be done and the product coverages can be auto-populated on this information. So now what is DIPL? Basically, DIPL is Digital Insurance Product Library, wherein we almost have 17,500, right? That is the experience which we carry of 25 years, wherein we have created these pre-built products, which can ultimately used as a source for research and doing the product modeling. And not only this tool acts as a AI agent, but it also plays a role of research analyst and business analyst to curate and design products, which typically our research has shown that it will reduce the time to market by almost 60% for the insurance companies. So this has no limitation. It can work on any sort of lines of business, be it general health or life insurance companies. And you can see the list of insurance products which are displayed here. It can do research on any model, any geography without any limitations. So in and all, basically how this research will help is basically it will accelerate to faster time to market and launch new products in a jiffy in days time basically and not in months. Also, it will cater to innumerous product templates which are very flexible in nature and can be on ongoing basis and according to the evolving market needs, it can be structured. This basically replaces the Excel and Word versions into the JSON formats, which are API friendly and which can be used as a connectivity to the endpoint applications of any insurance companies. Right? So this basically becomes the connector to the rule engines, product configurators, rating tools, and it also has a real-time data sync to any of the systems. So this is what the innovation we have done in the AI space. So happy to take any questions if there are any.